Hello, my friend. Have you ever asked yourself, why, after all these years of prayer, fasting, crying to God, casting demons, you feel like your life is still stuck? Why is it that you keep attracting the same type of people in your life? At work, you feel invisible. In your community, you feel unheard. And after all, you feel that these life patterns are following you from one season of your life to another season. My name is Senam. I'm a life coach if you don't know me. And I speak to you today as an African woman who knows so well what it means to carry pain in silence. You know, I grew up in a strong Christian family. I served in church. I led a group of youth. I did everything quote unquote right. But you know, behind closed doors, I was miserable in my marriage. I was feeling so much pain. I wanted to end my own life. I created a video explaining my whole journey. You can find it on my website. You can go and check it out, where I explain how I married twice the same guy in 25 years. How did I do that? Because I finally learned how to do my inner work. I discovered coaching, I discovered therapy, I discovered self-development. Those tools given me through those processes has helped me change my whole life, create a beautiful relationship, change career, and living my best life. Here's the truth that no one tells us. We pray, but our prayer falls into a basket full of holes. As African people, we are thought to be strong, to endure, to hold everything together. Never you have to show that you're weak. But no one teaches how to heal. No one teaches how to manage our energy. No one teaches that we are spiritual and energy beings, and our energy fields are full of holes. Holes that has been created by our childhood wounds, our toxic partners, betrayals, disappointment, traumas that follow us from Africa to where we are today. So even if God bless you, my friend, you leak the blessings. That's why the same kind of narcissist people keep showing up at your door. That's why you don't feel confident at work. That's why you're scared to love again. That's why you still feel alone, even though you are in a country full of opportunities. My friend, to transform your life, you must plug those holes. You must stop the leaking process. Because that relationship you want, that man you want to love, that woman you desire, that job you know that you deserve, that business you dream of starting, everything becomes possible when your energy is whole. This is why, I created a special solution for people like you. I created a 3-week intense program healing that is called Healing and Reset. To heal African people living abroad, heal deeply, and step into 2026 as powerful, as new, as a different version of themselves. In this program, you will learn to identify your emotional and energy holes. You want to learn how to feel them, not just to change your mindset, but to work on a spiritual, energy, and emotional level. I crafted this program using the same tools that have changed my own life: energy, mental, and emotional. I will guide you through your emotional journey, teach you how to coach yourself on a daily basis, and help you release old patterns that are stored in your body. This is not just theory. This is also practical. You will feel energy moving through your body. You will release traumas from your past journey, and you will open your heart to love, to peace, and to real connection. So this program is designed as 6 powerful coaching sessions. You have 3 private sessions one-on-one with me, where I focus only on you, on your story, on your experience. And then we have 3 powerful group sessions where we harness and we come together as people to heal on a more collective level. And let me tell you something that our parents never explained to us. God has given us everything. From plants, to food, to energy, to cereals, to fabrics, everything is out there for us. But we have to go to work and cook. We have to go to work and create fabrics to create clothing for ourselves. We have to go out there and create shelters, homes for ourselves. But that no one has taught us how to create and to work with our own energy. I am talking about that energy that will transform bread into a human being. When you eat a piece of bread, it will become a human being. When a dog will eat the same piece of bread, it will become a dog. Do you think that piece of bread is so intelligent? No, there is an intelligence in you that can make that big transformation. And I want you to, through this program, to go and tap into that intelligent consciously and to turn your whole destiny around from that space. So really, who is this program for? This program is for you if you know that you're carrying traumas from generations and for years. If you feel stuck in your past, if you're scared of new relationship, if you know you need healing but you don't know where to start, and mostly if you want your 2026 to be different from every other year you've ever lived here, this program is for you. So I'm opening this program to a very limited amount of people, just 30 people I want to accept in this program. It's a small container so we can work deeply and we can be focused on each participant to make this process happen for you. So this is a one-time investment. I have created a program. The value is 249 euros. But because we're in Black Friday, I want to make a special offering to you. I want to help you make a quick decision, buy this program while in this season, and create a price that is low enough for you to invest, but high enough for you to know that you are doing something special for yourself. We spend a lot of money, buying stuff that will wear out tomorrow. But investing in your life, investing in your transformation, there is no price for that. But I'm offering this program to you at a price of 199 euros. That is around 170 pounds or $210. So this is your chance to create a powerful healing process for you and to shine in 2026. My brother, my sister, this is your moment. This is a life-changing material. Your heart will heal, your life will change, and your future will be open. So if you are interested, if you think this is for you, click on the button under this video and subscribe for grab your seat. And I want you to know that once you have subscribed, you'll get access to my calendar. You'll book all your sessions in advance. You will also have access to my private WhatsApp group where I will be sharing there every day, helping you, coaching you to get you to the point where you really feel different. And also, you will have the booklet that we'll use as a tool during all these sessions. So really grab your seat, buckle up, and we are doing this. Let's go. I'll see you inside.